Hello everyone. So in this video I will be showing you the delete duplicate or remove duplicate functionality of Excel that we have in Excel 2016. So pretty much in all other version it's almost same. So here I have on Excel with some mock data, because as you can see some mock name and mock data. Okay, and with this Excel I will try to show you how to remove duplicates from a specific column, or maybe on a multiple columns, considering multiple columns as well. So just before doing this, just select which column you want to basically remove duplicate from. So for example, for this video, let me remove duplicate from this particular column E. See here we have some duplicate data, as I can see already. So after highlighting this column, just go to data. This is the data tab or the data menu, and there you will find this particular button, remove duplicate. Okay, so click on this remove duplicate and it will prompt you, the Excel will prompt you that whether you want to expand the selection. That means you want to select like consider all the columns here to remove duplicates. So if all the data in every column matches, then only that particular row or the column will be removed. Okay, and now other option is the continue with the current selection. So I will be going with this one because I will try to show you first with this particular column. So if I click on this, it will show me which column it will consider, and if I click OK now, you will see that 992 duplicate values found and removed, only 9 unique value remains. Okay, so in this way you can just directly remove duplicate for a particular column. Now let me try to show you with the multiple columns. I'll do a Control Z and whatever was deleted is back again. I'll try to copy this particular row and again insert. Sorry. Let me copy this row manually. Now see, we have these three, row number 3 and 4 both have same data. Okay, now let me try to do this again and it will automatically select all the rows. Now if I do this, okay, what it will try to do, Excel will check all these particular columns and try to remove if all the rows, like all the data in that column is similar for any particular row with another row. So if I click on OK, it will see that one duplicate value found and removed. So 1000 unique value remains. So the one that I copied here from the row number 2 or row number 3 basically, so that one got removed because it is similar with the other one that I copied from. So in this way you can remove from on a particular column or from all other columns. This is the way to remove duplicate easily in Excel, and it is very handy when removing data from multiple um, columns and having several thousands of lakhs of data. So I hope this video is useful, and thank you.